For this lab, we wanted to see if the bugs living on one plant might tolerate colder environments than the bugs living on the other plant. We thought that this trait in soapberry bugs might be different between plants because each plant does well in different climate environments, which might mean that the soapberry bugs in one plant could tolerate colder environments a little bit better than the other. So we hypothesized that the bugs living on golden rain trees will be less tolerable to colder environments than the bugs living on the balloon vine. We decided that bugs living on the golden rain tree would be less tolerable because the environment of golden rain trees is hot and dry. We decided that we would test our hypothesis by putting 5 soapberry bugs from one habitat on a container on ice and putting on a timer for 5 minutes to see how tolerant the bugs would be, and do the same for the other habitat, and at the end compare the two.
Live active. Oh.
Okay.
I just talked about what it grew.
No, it's gonna find itself. There you go. Oh, wait.
The results from our experiment showed that the bugs in the golden rain tree in this picture stopped moving under cold conditions in under 4 minutes. In this picture is shown the golden rain tree soapberry bugs, and at minute 3 and 52 seconds they completely stopped moving. From this picture you can see the bugs from the balloon vine, and it is shown that until minute 5 bugs are still moving, and that means that they lasted a little bit longer than the bugs from the golden rain tree. Based on the results, since the soapberry bugs in the golden rain tree lasted under 4 minutes and the soapberry bugs in the balloon vine lasted the complete 5 minutes, our hypothesis was correct, and we can conclude that the soapberry bugs will not differentiate into different species because the time difference for tolerating the cold was not significant. Our group and I thought that this might relate to reproductive isolation in the form of habitat isolation, since the species occupy different habitats but are the same species, yet they never come into contact. So overall, we think that this is habitat isolation, and the soapberry bugs adapted to their different habitats to resist the cold a little bit better.